Okay, so first, let's do a little review. So far we've learned that geography is a study of the Earth and the people who live on the Earth. We've also learned that the 5 themes of geography are 5 ways of thinking about geography. Then we learned about one of the themes of geography, location. We talked about absolute and relative location. We discussed global positioning systems, and we also talked a little bit about lines of latitude and longitude and what those are used for. So now let's move on to another theme of geography, place, or as I like to call it, a sense of place. The best way to learn about place is by actually doing something with it. So here's what we're going to do. First, grab something to write with and something to write on. Pen or a pencil, and you'll need something to write on. You can use scratch paper, a notebook, or as always, feel free to use the whiteboards that are on your tables. Go ahead and pause the video if you need a second. I'll be right here waiting. So we're going to watch 2 videos. As you watch each video, make sure you're taking some notes as you go. The notes you should be taking are descriptive terms. What words describe the place you're looking at? In other words, you're thinking about, what is this place like? What would it feel like to be there? What defines this place? What makes it a unique place? You don't need to describe the action in the scene. You don't have to describe the people. You're really just thinking about the place. Think about descriptions. Is it fun, or boring, or hot, or cold, adventurous, scary, exciting? Keep all of those concepts in mind as you watch each video. Okay, let's get ready to take some notes. Here's your first video. Keep your notes handy. Make a new section for video 2. Coming right up.
I felt it before I heard it. The heartbeat of a place I knew I belonged. Where history's lived as much as it's made. And forward is the only way the wind blows. A place where the mind awakens as the body unwinds. Where all mankind can not only live, but thrive. I am the flutter in your chest, the chill down your spine, the voice in your head answering every whispered what if, with a roaring, why not? I am the spirit of possible, the spirit of Dubai.
Okay, now we're going to review the notes that you took, and then we're going to compare them. But first, take a look at your notes for each video. Those notes indicate how that place made you feel. In other words, that's your sense of that place. This gives us an opportunity to practice a really important skill, and that is comparing and contrasting. When you're comparing and contrasting, you think about what's similar between 2 things, in this case the 2 videos or the 2 places, and what's different. So take this opportunity to take a look at your notes, watch the videos again if you'd like, and think about those things that are similar and those things that are different. At this point, you can go ahead and pause the video. Take some time and really analyze your lists. Take special note of the things that were similar and different on your 2 lists that represent those two places. And hey, here's a great idea. Find someone else that is working on the same video you are and compare notes with them. See what they found interesting about the videos, the descriptions they used. Find things that are similar between your two lists and things that are different. You might be surprised that different people saw these places differently than you do. Okay, see you when you get back. And that's all there is to it. So let's wrap this thing up. In the 5 themes of geography, place is very subjective. It's all about that personal experience with a location. It's all about how it makes you feel. Now we can contrast that to when we talked about location. Location is scientific. It's objective. A location is where it is, regardless of how you feel about it. So there's a big difference here. It's 2 very different ways of thinking about geography. It's as simple as that. There you go. That's place. As always, here is my email address for those of you that prefer to ask questions through email. And don't forget to do the exit ticket associated with this lesson. And I will see you